this I'm just reversing. Okay, then we'll see for the palindrome. Palindrome, it's simple. If you get the reverse, then you just have to match. If the string is equal to reverse, if it's, then it's a palindrome. Okay, now suppose this is my string. Okay, reverse string I don't know, so I've just taken a blank here. Okay, now I have to reverse this string, correct, and store in this. So I have to traverse from last index till the first index, correct. So last index will be my what? Length minus 1, correct. So see, in range I have taken length of string minus 1. So that's my last index, correct. I have to go till 0. Okay, so if I cannot put here 0, because you know this end, the in range function, the end, they always take whatever value you write minus 1, right. So that's why I have taken minus 1, so that it goes till 0. And I will go in the step of minus 1, right, because it has to start from here and go backwards, right. So now here for I in range this, so length of the string minus 1 will be my index 4, index 4, right. So 4, so first my I is 4. So here I am doing, I am just concatenating each with this. Now see, here my I 4 will be O, right. So I am just adding this O to this blank. Okay, now again I am going up. Now my index becomes 3. So now it will str3 will be L. So this L will be added to this O, because reverse has become O now. So it will be OL. Now it will go up again. Now index will be 2. So again L will be fetched. And now reverse was my OL. So another L will be added. So it will be OLL. Clear? Now again I, it goes up. Now index will be 1. Now this reverse string will be OLL, and then E will be added. So it will be OLLE. And then at the last index 0, it will fetch H. So here it will be OLLEH. Did you get this, how I reverse? And then I'm finally printing the reverse. Nothing else I'm doing, I'm just printing the reverse. So see, I got my reverse here, right? Is it clear how I got my reverse? Now for palindrome, you just need to check if str equal to RV. If this is true, print